The Neuroscience of Creativity, Insights into the Brain. Title: The Neuroscience of Creativity, Insights into the Brain. Introduction. Creativity is a fundamental aspect of human cognition that fuels innovation, problem-solving, and artistic expression. It has intrigued scientists, philosophers, and artists for centuries. In recent years, advances in neuroscience have shed light on the neural processes underlying creativity. This article will explore the fascinating world of the neuroscience of creativity and provide insights into how the brain works during creative tasks. The brain's creative networks. Neuroscientists have discovered that creativity involves complex interactions within and between various regions of the brain. One key network involved in creative thinking is the default mode network, DMN. The DMN comprises brain areas responsible for introspection, daydreaming, and mind-wandering. These regions include the prefrontal cortex, the posterior cingulate cortex, and the inferior parietal lobule. When the brain is at rest or engaged in spontaneous thinking, the DMN becomes active, facilitating mental exploration and creative idea generation. Another vital network involved in creativity is the executive control network, ECN. This network includes the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, anterior cingulate cortex, and parietal cortex. The ECN regulates attention, cognitive control, and problem solving. During creative tasks, the ECN coordinates with the DMN, allowing individuals to switch between focused attention and spontaneous idea generation. Neurochemistry of creativity. Creativity is influenced by several neurotransmitters and neuromodulators. For instance, dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, plays a critical role in creative thinking. Studies have shown that higher levels of dopamine are related to increased creativity. The release of dopamine enhances cognitive flexibility, motivation, and the ability to make novel connections. Another neurotransmitter, serotonin, also influences creativity. Serotonin modulates mood, emotions, and cognition. Optimal levels of serotonin are associated with a conducive mental state for creative endeavors. Deficiencies in serotonin can lead to cognitive rigidity and reduced creative output. Brain plasticity and creativity. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself based on experiences, is a crucial factor in creativity. Through neuroplastic changes, the brain can form new connections and rewire existing ones, facilitating innovative thinking. Creative activities, such as playing a musical instrument or painting, can induce structural and functional changes in specific brain regions. Neuroimaging studies have shown that learning and practicing creative skills increase the volume of gray matter in brain areas responsible for creativity, such as the hippocampus and the cerebellum. Furthermore, regular engagement in creative pursuits strengthens neural pathways, allowing for more efficient information processing and idea generation. Enhancing creativity through brain stimulation. Neuroscientists have explored various techniques to enhance creativity by directly modulating brain activity. One such technique is transcranial direct current stimulation, TDCS, which applies a weak electric current to specific brain areas. Studies have shown that TDCS can enhance divergent thinking, a crucial aspect of creative thinking. Another technique, transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, utilizes magnetic fields to induce electrical currents in specific brain regions. TMS has been observed to enhance both convergent and divergent thinking, suggesting its potential in facilitating creative problem solving. The role of emotions in creativity. Emotions play a pivotal role in creativity. Researchers have found that positive moods, such as joy or excitement, can enhance creative thinking and idea generation.